Birds in the sky, flapping wings as they fly. Some are big, some are small, some don't even fly at all. The parrot talks, hello, how do you do? The owl says, hoot, I see you. The sparrow sings a happy song, while the peacock dances all day long. The duck goes swimming, quack, quack, quack. The woodpecker taps, rat-a-tat-tat. The eagle soars so high and free, gliding over the land and sea. The flamingo stands on just one leg. The hen lays eggs inside her shed. The penguin waddles on the ice, while swans look pretty, calm and nice. The cuckoo sings in a lovely way. The kingfisher dives to catch its prey. The rooster crows cock-a-doodle-doo. The pigeon coos a soft cuckoo. Big or small, fast or slow, birds make the world a joy to know. With songs to sing and wings to spread, they fill the skies above our head.